Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful 3D and so simple scarf pattern. Not also only scarf pattern, I think it's a beautiful blanket pattern. You can make a blanket, scarf, shawl, or you can make sweaters, vests, which you want, also bags, I think. This pattern, I love it. I will make a lot of a few projects with that pattern. I have to make that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. I'm so appreciated if you are share my channel on your page. Thanks a lot. I made a scarf, but you can use which you want. Okay, I hope you like it. If you're ready, we can start to crochet 3D simple arrow stitch. Let's start to crochet. My yarn is multicolor and size is 3. You can see that. I will use 5mm hook. I bought it from a local shop a few years ago, so I don't remember which brand is. Okay, first of all, make a slip knot. Then you will make your scarf multiples of 12, and I will make 36 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. If you want to make it more wider, you will add 12 stitch per 12 stitch. Okay. I will make a usual scarf is 20 centimeters, so I will make totally 36 stitches. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Again, one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I have totally 36 chains. Now I will turn my chains, and you can see here back loops. I use it. Skip very first one, insert, start from the second here. Grab my yarn. I have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through to make a single crochet. Insert here, grab my yarn, take my yarn and make a single. I use these back loops like that. I will make a single crochet in every each this back loop. At the end of first row, this row, I will have 35 single crochet. I complete this row and turn to you. I complete my single crochets here, and I have 35 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count this chain 1 as a stitch. Insert into the same, grab my yarn and make single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, insert into next one, grab your yarn, pull through to make double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one, make double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one, make double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one, make double. Totally I made here 4 double crochet, between of them chain 1. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one and make single crochet. Complete the set like that. Then start the new set. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one and make 1 single. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 and make 4 double. 1, chain 1, skip 1, 2, chain 1, skip 1, 3, chain 1, skip 1, 4. Chain 1, skip 1 and finish the complete the set with single crochet. Start my last set. If you want to make more wider, you will add 12 stitches more. Okay, skip 1, insert into next one and make single crochet, chain 1, make your 4 double, skip 1, next one double, chain 1, skip 1, next one double, 2, chain 1, skip 1, next one, 3, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, this is 4, chain 1, skip 1, insert the last one, finish with the row with single crochet. That's it. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count, and insert into the same stitch, make single crochet here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space. Skip first 2 space, insert third one, insert your hook, this skip stitch, like that. Grab your yarn and make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to single crochet stitch and join with a single crochet. Chain 1, skip chain 1, insert a single crochet stitch and make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again skip 2 space, come to third one, insert your hook, third space, skip stitch, grab your yarn and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 space, come to last single crochet, set last and join with a single crochet. Chain 1, insert the next single crochet, make 1 more single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 space, come to third one, insert your hook, this single crochet, join with single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 space, come to last single crochet and join with a single crochet. This is the second row. You will repeat these 2 rows always. I will show you. Chain 1 and turn your work. Not count, insert into the first one, make 1 more single. Chain 1 and we will work previous row of before this previous row. Not count this single crochet row. We accept this, the first and the second. You will work with the first round. This is my first double, yarn over, insert my first double stitch and make a double crochet. Chain 1, insert the second double stop, make double, chain 1, insert the third double stop, make double, chain 1, insert the fourth double stop and make double. So I have again 4 double crochet. Chain 1, this time we will make our single crochet second row of single here, make single, chain 1, insert the next one, make single, chain 1 and I will work again first rows double, insert the first double stop, make double, chain 1, insert the second double, make double, chain, yarn over, come to third double stop and make double, chain 1 and come to fourth one, make double, chain 1. When you come to single crochet, you will work with previous rows, the second row single, make single, chain 1, next stitch, make single, again chain 1. This time I'm not working this chain 5, I will work with top of these doubles, yarn over, insert the first doubles, make double, chain 1, insert the second one, make double, chain 1, insert the third one, make double, chain 1, insert the fourth one, make double, chain 1, I come to end, insert the last stitch and join with a single crochet. This is the third row. Chain 1 and turn your work. Again we will do this chain 5. 1, sorry, not count it, insert into the first stitch and make single crochet. Now 1 2 3 4 5. This time it's more simple. Again we have 1 2 3 4 5 space. I come to third space, insert my hook like that. Okay, here chain 1 space, previous rows, I insert my hook like that, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. Come to single crochets. This is first single crochet, join with a single crochet, chain 1, insert the second one and make one more single. 1 2 3 4 5. Come to third space. This is same line, insert my hook like that. Look at here, like that, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. Come to first single crochet, join with a single crochet, chain 1, insert into the second one and make single crochet again. 1 2 3 4 5 again. Skip 2 space, come to third one, insert my hook like that, under of that box, grab my yarn, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. Insert the last stitch, join with a single crochet. That's it. Always repeat those 2 rows. I will show you. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count, insert into the same one, make single, chain 1, and you will not work with chain 5, you will work before of the previous rows double crochets. Yarn over, insert the first one, make double, chain 1, come to next double stop, make double, chain 1, come to next double stop, double, chain 1, come to last double stop, make double, chain 1. When you come to single crochet, you will insert previous row single, chain 1, insert the next one, make single, chain 1, again work with doubles, it's so simple pattern, only 2 rows repeating. When you make several rows, you will do that easily. I come single crochet and make single, chain 1, single, chain 1. Let's make here 1 2 3 and 4, chain 1, come to last stitch, make single, chain 1 and not count. I will show you here one more time and complete, not count, insert the first one, make single, 1 2 3 4 5. Come to third space, insert my hook like that, grab my yarn and make single, 1 2 3 4 5. Come to single crochet. I will repeat these 2 rows and make it bigger after turn to you, and I will show you how you can close the row. I complete and turn to you. I repeat it. I make my double crochet row, chain 1 and turn, not count, again insert into the first and make a single, 1 single crochet in the space, 1 single in the stitch, 1 single space, 1 single in the stitch. You will make single crochet and you can complete your scarf. 1 1 1 stitch, 1 space. I come to single crochet, 1 space, 1 stitch. I come to end and turn to you. I complete my scarf. This is the end point. This is our starting point. Also, you can make not only scarf, not only shawl, you can make with that pattern blanket. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's so simple and so 3D, so effective. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi.